So hello everyone,
Hello.
welcome to the new day and new vlog. Today we have with us our beloved Muntasir, and we thought that today we'll start or make a new playlist regarding transportation in Germany, where we will talk about the various transportation options which are there in Germany or specifically in Kaiserslautern, Germany, because currently we are living in Kaiserslautern. So we can talk about some of the applications that we are using or we use often. So if we first talk about the transportation options which are there in Kaiserslautern.
The first bus option I would say VRN,
Yeah,
and then for train you can use DB,
Yeah.
that is for Deutsche Bahn,
yeah,
and then for cycle you can use VRN next bike,
yeah,
and there is another option that is for scooty or scooter,
Yeah.
that is tier.
yeah,
So I think these are the four main apps that one can have installed in their mobile
yeah.
to identify the options.
Yeah, also I think one point to add is that in some of the cities there are tram option as well. In Kaiserslautern there are no trams, but if we go to Heidelberg, then in the VRN app where we see our bus schedule, there we can also see the tram schedules as well, like when will it come, how we will go. So we thought that we'll talk about these applications as well, like how, suppose if someone is new to this or he or she wants to know about these information, then we will share the information that we know, or we'll try to share these informations. So we'll come to all these applications one by one. So starting with the very first application, which is
The first app I would say is VRN,
Yeah.
that we use for buses.
correct.
And I think you used it for tram as well,
Yeah.
in some cities, right?
Yeah, so I think when I went to Heidelberg with some of my friends, then we also saw the connections of the trams. So we can use the VRN app to see like which is the nearby bus stop or the tram stop, and we can go from one point to another. Also, at what time we can take the bus and how far is the bus stop. You might have seen that Muntasir also takes sometimes the buses from Davenport Plus or Univest.
That's true.
So I think we use the VRN app to check the connection or when he can take the bus. Also, for us, when we got our student ID card, then certain area we can travel for free. We don't have to pay to use the bus. Otherwise, when we did not have the
Semester ticket.
Semester
we had
ticket.
to pay separately.
yeah, we had to buy a single ticket.
Yeah, that's true. There is single ticket, there is multiple day ticket,
Yeah,
several options. But if you are a student of RPTU,
yeah,
then it covers certain region of
Yeah.
Rhineland-Palatinate.
yeah,
For example, one of the most important stoppages is Mannheim,
yeah.
and then there is
Heidelberg we can also go.
Heidelberg and Zweibrück, and these
Yeah.
are important cities. Some
Yeah.
areas there is a map
Yeah,
that he can put the link
Yeah.
in the comment section, and
Yeah.
so that's those areas you can travel freely by bus
Yeah.
using the VRN app.
yeah. So you can travel in that region for free, not only for VRN but also for Deutsche Bahn.
Correct.
So you can take like S1 RE trains, like the regional options, and you can travel to that region. I'll put the link in the description. You can check that map. And I think since we are talking about the VRN app, so basically we use that for buses and trams.
Correct.
And in Kaiserslautern we use that for buses because
Kaiserslautern don't have any trams.
yeah. So if we are talking about the VRN app, then I think it's also good that we show that how the VRN app looks like and how we search for a particular connection. So as you can see, one of the bus arrived in Univest bus stop 107, and if Muntasir can show how he used the app. So
So this is the app. This is VRN app. This is my location. My GPS is on.
Yeah.
And you can put your starting point and
Yeah.
destination as well.
correct.
For a starting point, let's say you are coming from Hauptbahnhof.
Yeah.
So if you type Hauptbahnhof HBF Kaiserslautern,
Yeah.
and the destination point is one of the popular point, that is Unizentral.
Yeah.
So if you put Unizentral, this is option.
Yeah.
You can put the GPS as well.
Yeah.
And from departure now, you can adjust the date
Correct.
as well as the time. For example, instead of 4, I can click on 12 and confirm.
Yeah.
Then it will show the change here as well.
Yeah.
These are the connections.
Yeah. So you can open the connection, one of the connection as
Correct.
well.
So here in the open of connection, you can see that this bus will start from this
Hauptbahnhof.
time,
Yeah.
Bay A Hauptbahnhof, to and reach it. Also, if you click on stop 7 stops, you will also see the stoppage,
Yeah.
that which stoppage is going to be eventually.
Correct.
And then you can just slide here and see the next connection.
Yeah.
This is another one. And if you want to buy the ticket from the bus, this is the price. If you
Correct.
don't have the semester ticket.
Yeah.
So this is the option, and there is another option here that says alternate mobility.
Yeah.
That has, for example, the TR and we are in next bike.
Correct.
That we will show you in other videos. So you have seen the connections and how you can see from stoppage A to stoppage B, how you can see it.
Correct.
But imagine you don't have the app.
Yeah.
You also have alternatives.
Okay.
So let's go there.
Let's go.
The bus travel, that is really West.
Yeah.
Our popular bus travel.
Yeah.
So here, if any stoppage, you can see on the top the stoppage name.
Yeah.
As well the number of buses that will stop here.
Correct.
For example, 105, 106, and all.
Yeah.
And here in this board, you can see from which stoppage you can go to which stoppage. For
Yeah.
example, if you come here, you can see from Monday to Friday, line 106 or bus 106 will come here and at this time.
Correct.
And if you don't know if this bus goes to your stoppage or not, you can see that from Univest, this is the following lines it will go.
Okay.
And this is come from this stoppage.
Okay.
You can easily identify, okay, for example, I want to go to Vanderhute, then this is the time, this is the stoppage, and this is the time. For example, now this 32, then I can wait for here
Yeah.
for the buses.
Okay.
So this is for only Monday to Friday, but for Sunday and Saturday and Sunday, there are other options as well.
Correct.
For example, this is only for the Saturday schedule, and if it is Sunday or any holiday, then this is the schedule.
Correct.
So do check those as well if you are coming here on Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah. So if I can just take a loop, then see
So
here.
you can take a loop and
Yeah.
see there are other buses stops as well.
Yeah. Like here.
Yeah, like here. For example, this is 105, one of the popular bus. Most popular, I would say 115.
Yeah.
That starts from Stadmitte to comes to Hobbanov and then finally University.
Yeah.
Most students take these buses.
Yeah.
So this you can see the chart if you don't have the VRN app.
Correct.
But if you have the VRN app, you can usually see it from point A to point B.
Yeah.
The time, the location. Even for some time, if the bus is late, you can check and see, okay, the bus is showing 2 minutes late in the VRN app. It's real-time data is showing there.
Okay. Thank you, Muntasir, for sharing these informations in a very live manner.
Welcome.
So as you have seen, he has very well explained the entire process, like checking the connection, and we are in Univest bus stop. So you can see the connection. I hope you get some information how you can use the VRN app to check the bus connection. You can also check the tram connection, as I told, if in your city there is tram. And I think we'll come to other apps one by one. We have started with the VRN app, but as we said, there are other applications like Deutsche Bahn and the VRN Next Bike
correct.
and the Tier. So, and we'll talk about these applications in some other videos. I hope you get some information through this video about the VRN app and the public transportation in Germany. We are in Kaiserslautern, so we are talking about the apps that we can use or we are using in Kaiserslautern, but some of the apps you can use in other parts of Germany as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you, Muntasir, for sharing and explaining so well. So that's it for this vlog. Rest you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. It doesn't take much time. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Namaste.
Assalamualaikum.
Chalo. See you in new day, new vlog.